Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving east on Harbour Street towards Michael Manley Boulevard. This is the Harbour Street and South Camp Road intersection. This is a Port Royal Street coastal revetment site. The road to the right will take you to downtown Kingston waterfront. The Port Royal Street coastal revetment project began in March 2020 and is slated to be completed April 2021 within time and budget. The budget is approximately $950 million. To the left is the General Penitentiary. This is a prison. On the right is the Kingston Harbour. It is the 7th largest natural harbour in the world. The project is being coordinated by the Jamaica Social Investment Fund and implemented under the Disaster Vulnerability Reduction Project through a loan from the World Bank. The project will assist in attracting investments and assist in the revitalization of the downtown Kingston area. Additionally, the project is integrated with the plans the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation and the Urban Development Corporation have for downtown Kingston redevelopment. The work spans the coastline from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade building to the Raytown Fishing Village and include implementation of 1 kilometer of seawall and armored stone revetment structure, upgrading of drain features, rehabilitation and raising of the 1 kilometer of existing roadway, and installation of a 4.7 meter wide walkway to improve the site's aesthetics and promote recreational activity along the shoreline. Continuing straight, which is heading east, will take you to Harbour View, St. Thomas, and also to the Norman Manley International Airport. The road to the left is Paradise Street. We'll be making a U-turn here, just in front of the Raytown Fishing Village, heading back towards downtown Kingston. On the left is the Raytown Fishing Village. An 80-meter fishing beach will also be created for fisher folk in the area who currently berth their vessel along the shoreline. The project also aims to create protective infrastructure along the Port Royal Street corridor that will safeguard the corridor from the effects of storm surge. We are currently traveling west on Michael Manley Boulevard. So we are again passing the General Penitentiary on the right, heading towards downtown Kingston. The sign on the right here says "Welcome to Downtown Kingston." The road on the right is South Camp Road, and this road can take you to Vineyard Town as well as Crossroads and Halfway Tree. Michael Manley Boulevard ends here and Port Royal Street begins. Again, to the left is the 7th largest natural harbour in the world, which is the Kingston Harbour. The road to the right here is Fleet Street. The road to the right is Islebourne Street. The road to the right is Gold Street. The building ahead houses the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The road to the right is Exchange Lane. This is the Hanover Street intersection. The road on the right is George's Lane. This is the East Street intersection. Port Royal Street continues straight and the left will take you to the waterfront. Bank of Jamaica building is just ahead. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.